So this is the perfect Python pivot. It turns relatively easily. There is no slop, up, down, left or right, no slop in any direction, and that's good for 4,000 pound of load. And there it is. I'm quite pleased with that. There's the two puddle welds that are holding the outer sleeves, stop sleeve that's internal to this, that holds the outer bearing races at either end of the tube at a specific distance. And that's it. I'm quite pleased. These nuts clamp down onto the central machine part, so it can't go any further. This is as tight as this gets, and yet even without grease, it's nice and free to turn. So I think that's a win. I'm quite pleased. My one's finished, Paul. Your kit of parts I can put together for you. Okay? Let me know what you want. I'm going to send you an email with some questions on it. Cheers, mate.